I'm Jordan, and Amy's going to make a video on my account.
Well, you're going to make a video. Well, both of us.
Well, we're going to make a video on my account, and I don't know what it's going to be. It's just going to be a random video, and your turn.
Oh, thanks. So, you've heard about Jordan Mold, of course. This brand new one, Hodger Hall.
I'll put it out for you. I'll just write it. I mean, just say it.
Here we go.
She's going to spell Hodger Hall for you. It's got to be space.
Space.
Oh.
That's right. Right. Oh God. That little dot, like scribble,
Means a space.
means a space. This is the secret government where you take that way well wrong. Run, everyone, run!
Joe!
So, that was an attack. Right. So, I know that was weird, but that's how you spell it. Hodga space hall. So, type that in and subscribe, comment. Stop this madness! Thank you. Why don't we just take a bow? And like down below. Everybody bow. Everybody bow. Everybody do the Harlem Shake. Do 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 do. Do the Harlem Shake.